सिर्फ एक महीना बचा है क्लैट के लिए एंड यू आर वरीड अबाउट योर मॉक स्कोर्स, देन दिस इज द वीडियो फॉर यू. So hello everyone, my name is Kanav. I had secured an All India rank of 2 in ALA 2024 examination. And in this video, we'll talk about exactly how do you go about increasing your mock scores. So I know अब last एक महीना each and every mock like feels different. It feels more important. कि पहले तो ये लगता था ठीक है we have like what few months left. अगर चलो मैथ्स अच्छे से नहीं हुई तो अभी इम्प्रूव कर लेंगे सब कर लेंगे. बट अब वो कहने का टाइम ही नहीं बचा हुआ, राइट? But in this scenario, it's very important to know कि what are these, what are certain few things which you can do which can help you improve your mock scores in the last month itself. And trust me, this last 1 month, if you follow these tips, it can cause a great increment in your rank. So now getting to the video, I have majorly 3 tips to share. But before that, let me just mention that the study anchor is conducting an all India open mock on the 2nd of November 2025, and this mock is of CLAT and it's like just CLAT level in the sense that it will be of a good level which will prepare you for CLAT and also something that you can expect in CLAT. As you know, CLAT is full of surprises these times around. So this mock will also be full of surprises for you, and it has been specifically made by me. So I try to ensure that it is to a level which which is like very good, and जिससे आपको एक अच्छा idea हो पाए कि exactly where do you stand. So yes, you obviously get your all India ranks as well. So this is a very good opportunity to test your preparation. So do attempt the mock. Now going back into the video. So the first tip is that you should attempt previous year papers now more than ever. Like, I know this is a tip which I've repeated in different videos over different times and over different topics. But trust me, the single most important way to do well in this exam is कि आप previous year papers ज़्यादा दो. If I tell you about myself, मेरे को 2018 से लेके मेरे साल तक के जितने क्लैट के पेपर्स हुए थे उनका एक एक क्वेश्चन याद हो चुका था. मैंने इतनी बार करा था क्योंकि अगर मेरे को जैसे कभी कोई ब्रेक लिया है, आई एम गेटिंग बैक टू स्टडीज़, तब भी मैं क्लैट का एक सेक्शनल कर लेता था. मतलब एक कोई पुराना पेपर का लॉजिकल अटेम्प्ट कर लिया सिर्फ, विच वुड वॉट टेक मी हार्डली 15-20 minutes, बट अगेन इट वॉज अ वेरी फ्रूटफुल एक्सरसाइज. सो डू प्रीवियस पेपर्स and like analyze them very well. Like just get into the reasoning exactly क्यों है. अगर कुछ समझ में नहीं आया तो ask your friends, teachers. If that's not possible, then ask Chat GPT कि exactly इसका आंसर ये है, क्यों है ये आंसर, and be very clear with the reasoning. Now, the second tip that I have is do current affairs का revision, because trust me, I used to score like जब 150 का पेपर होता था तब I used to score around 90, right, and which is a decent score. But again, the threshold every time was 100. कि 100 is a very like a very very comfortable position to be in. So now I used to consistently get 90, but there was this one week जिसके बाद I consistently got scores which are above 100. Now what was the difference? I just did GK उस एक हफ्ते में बहुत अच्छे से. I revised GK, I made notes, I learned those notes. तो उस चक्कर में मेरा GK अच्छा हो गया था. उसके बाद I don't as such remember कि जब तक 150 का पैटर्न था तब मेरा एक बार भी 100 से नीचे स्कोर गिरा. ऑब्वियसली एक दो बार कुछ एक्सेप्शन होगा, बट मेजरली इट वाज अबव 100. सो दैट डे आई रियलाइज कि जीके इज अ वेरी बिग पार्ट ऑफ द पेपर. अगर यू स्टार्ट डूइंग जीके, बिकॉज पहले आई वाज मे बी स्कोरिंग व्हाट 5 6 7 marks, then that jumped to good 17 18, right? So that, and back then like GK was of 35 marks. So like it put me in a very very comfortable position. So इसलिए revise GK in this last 1 month, which is obviously very important for the paper as well, but it will also help you improve your mock scores. Now moving to the third tip, and this is something which I am sure a lot of you guys have not done up till now, that is कि maths करना. I know कि maths के लिए inertia होता है, especially for students like us who are from humanities background. मैंने लास्ट मैथ्स देखी थी 10th grade में और उसमें भी I had basic maths. तो I was very much like out of touch with math for a very long time. But again, this CLAT preparation helped me get in, like it forced me, it nudged me to get back into preparing maths, into doing maths. And मतलब once, like I also delayed maths till a very long period कि अब अच्छे से करेंगे, अब करेंगे. तो finally when I did it, तब मेरे mock scores had increased a lot. क्योंकि वो मतलब trust me, those 12 marks यू कैन इंश्योर कि आपको 12 के 12 तो मिले ही, एंड कम से कम टाइम में. So essentially, it's like that section where it's the only section in CLAT where you can actually have 100% accuracy. So definitely doing maths is another place where you can improve your scores. Now, finally, just a bonus tip. I know ये सारी tips is something that you would have heard everywhere कि हाँ maths करो, सबको पता करनी चाहिए, logical करो, ये सब करो, mocks दो, previous papers करो. But trust me, these are very simple things, but people don't do it. So that's why this video is just a reiteration of that. You should be doing this, and just a reminder for you कि stick to the basics. But a last tip which I believe, and there's something which helped me a lot, was like analyzing the paper very well. And now, what do I mean by analyzing the paper? So I essentially did each and every question which I got wrong दोबारा, in the sense कि I used to read that again. अब अगर मेरा आंसर चेंज हो जाए कि जैसे ए मार्क करा था पेपर में, अब मैंने बी करा, तो अब आई हैव फाउंड आउट द मिस्टेक और बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. तो आई फाउंड आउट द मिस्टेक कि हाँ ये गलती थी, पैसेज पढ़ते पढ़ते जल्दी पढ़ा था तो एक ही लाइन मिस हो गई, उस वजह से आई कुड नॉट डू दिस क्वेश्चन. दैट्स completely fine. That is just certain factors which happens in the mock. But at times there were certain questions which I just could not, like even in redoing those questions I could not get them right. तो उसमें आई आइडेंटिफाइड कि कुछ मेरा फ्लॉ है इन रीजनिंग विच आई नीड टू रेक्टिफाई. तो उस क्वेश्चन में आई यूज टू गिव टाइम, आई यूज टू लाइक डिस्कस इट विद माई मेंटर्स कि एग्जैक्टली ये क्यों क्वेश्चन, ये क्यों आंसर होगा. वंस आई गॉट द आंसर एंड एवरीथिंग एंड आई एम सेटिस्फाइड कि हाँ ये आंसर क्यों है, तो आई वुड राइट इट डाउन कि हाँ इस पेपर में ये रीजनिंग होनी चाहिए थी इस क्वेश्चन में. So that helps me remember it. And before giving my next mock, I used to ensure that I used to have a look at this mock wala notebook which I had made of like a lot of questions which I got wrong and why they were wrong, and like what is the logical flaw in my reasoning. So इसलिए I would recommend एक बार ये करना शुरू कर लो in this last 1 month. If you do it, that should be good enough ताकि CLAT में you don't repeat any or you do not get any question wrong because of a flaw in your reasoning, right? So yes, that is pretty much it from my end. Hope to see you in good NLUs moving forward.